me, fan was a reservation for the start.
Big thumbs up. So, what do you think would be fun for a day like today?
I don't know.
I don't know, huh?
Fireworks.
I'm thinking fireworks. Did we go to the dollar store and we found some fireworks the other day?
Yeah, we had some more.
But yeah, we need to go get more, don't we?
Yeah.
This could be lots of fun. So, should we invite the vlog with us to the dollar store?
Yeah, can I hold you when we're driving?
Well, I don't know. Can you?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Let's go to the store. Oh wait, the van is still decorated with your. It's all decorated with your graduation stuff still on it, isn't it? Red Wing wingers.
I think it will rain tonight.
Oh, it could rain. It's supposed to rain tonight. Yep.
That's the bear.
Oh, is it still there? The balloons, kindergartner bus. The
hearts are still there.
is it still there? Oh yeah, it is.
It's literally what I'm wearing.
Oh, wait a minute. Does the unicorn transform?
Can go on to silver and then pink.
And then pink? Let's see it. Let's show everyone. Whoa, that's pretty cool.
They use it with their hands. Like,
Just with your hands?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to the dollar store. Let's go. Let's see if they they have some fireworks there. Welcome back, everyone. We're at the dollar store. We're gonna look for the fireworks, right, Savannah?
Yes.
But no, on the drive here, Savannah had a great idea. You want to tell them about it? What were we talking about?
A giveaway at Hatchimals.
Doing a giveaway for a hatchimal?
Yeah, if you didn't
Well, one of the hatchimals that they have here, right?
Yeah, if
Well,
you
in a
want
couple
that-
days, right? We'll do a vlog about hatchimals.
Yeah, if you don't want the Hatchimals, you have the flowers in the top.
Well, we'll have to get the hatchimals in a couple days. We're going to do a hatchimal vlog, right? Oh, do you know something? Do you think this would be super cool to do bubbles? Do you think that would be?
Bubbles. They have bubbles.
Oh, hey guys, this would be really cool, right?
Bubbles.
Maybe
Bubbles.
oh yeah, that's bubbles. But we have a lot of bubbles at home.
Yeah.
You have lots. So should we do this one?
Yeah.
Because it's pink, right?
Yeah, my favorite color.
Your favorite color?
This one's yellow, that one's pink, and that one's blue.
Oh yeah, but you like pink the best, right?
Yes.
Oh, Savannah, look at this. You see, what are they? Fireworks? Is that sparklers and morning glories? And what we're going to do a vlog about.
Slinky, a slinky.
A slinky?
Can we get this one?
Well, not right now, sweetie.
Okay.
But
Then these big bubbles, right?
because we came in here for what? The fireworks, right?
We didn't come in here for this.
We're going to grab a bunch of fireworks, aren't we? And we came in and we're going to get you a bubble thing, aren't we?
Maybe we can do it tomorrow. Bob.
Maybe we can do a bubble thing tomorrow?
Yeah.
But we came in for these, didn't we?
Yeah.
Okay.
We
Now
got
we're going to grab a couple of sparklers. That would be kind of cool, right?
Yeah, are those fireworks too?
Yeah, this is all fireworks. Do you want those?
Yes.
And because we're going to do a vlog about fireworks. What do you want, Dad?
Ice cream.
Ice cream? Oh, I think
Bubble ice cream.
that is bubble ice cream. All right, guys, we're going to go check out. We're going to see it back at home, right?
Yes.
Because we got a lot of fireworks now. Let's do this.
Yeah, let's check.
Okay, vlog. Before we even made it to Chaco, what did Savannah find?
Shine.
What? How does that go?
Shimmer, shine. Shimmer, shine.
So do you want to get it?
They are tattoos.
Yeah, they are tattoos. Do you want shimmer and shine tattoos?
They
Oh, you can pull it off.
can hold this.
You just sit down on the floor. And she found a princess pen that she wanted.
Yeah.
And now she is getting shimmer and shine tattoos. Oh, pull it really tight, really tough. There you go. You got it. Okay. Let's go before we buy a lot more stuff, right?
I know what I
This is why the dollar store is so great, because we know that everything costs $1. And it's great, right, Savannah?
Yeah.
Because we found all this stuff for the barbecue too. What?
Can we get this for Caitlin?
Yeah, you can get that. Okay.
And I
See,
love my mom.
you love your mom and you love Caitlin, right?
Yeah, all my dolls.
All your dolls? Okay, we better get going. Like I said, we're gonna buy the whole store out. Okay, welcome back, guys. We now made it back home. We have the fireworks here. We have a fire starter. We have Savannah, and Savannah's gonna start opening fireworks up. Because what we're gonna do is
they taped it up.
Yep.
Because we don't want to open them either.
Not when they're in the store, right?
Nope.
Okay, so Savannah's gonna open them.
I'm sitting down.
Okay, so
That one's pretty hard. Can you help me with this tape, Daddy? Oh, like this.
oh, look at that.
We don't want fireworks.
Well, we're not gonna let them all off right now. We're just gonna see if 4 boxes are enough. So, see, Savannah, how Daddy's ripping the box?
I'm ripping the box too.
Are you ripping the box too?
Yeah.
Yep, just rip the box. Because we don't need the box anyways, right?
No. I ripped the box.
Okay.
That's it. No, I'm not done.
You're not done yet.
No.
Okay. Oh, there you go.
These pokey things.
Yep.
And then we go straight.
Well, you can't have to go up, right? And kind of loop around.
Can I put this one right there?
Probably like right about here. Or you go grab another one, Savannah.
I'm doing it. But this is like a slippy slide. Slippy slide. So, one right here.
Nope, you gotta start coming down. Remember how a heart loops down?
Right down here.
Nope, you probably gonna want it right about here.
Right here.
Yeah, but you want to push in from the bottom, Savannah, up at the top. Okay, right there.
Then we will put the fire up top.
Yep.
This one go right here. Maybe right here.
Yeah, figure get this one back in there. Okay.
Right here.
Nope, right about here.
Right here.
Yep. Like this is two. I think.
Yeah, I don't do more.
Oh, yep. Go get. Let's get more. Actually, let's bring them all down here.
All of them, all of them, all of them.
All of them?
Oh, here. Now where do we put this one?
Somewhere to make a heart.
Right here?
Do you remember what a heart looks like, Savannah? Kind of like up and over.
And down.
Yeah.
Nice. Now let's
Yep.
put
Yep. We gotta keep going though, right, Savannah?
this one left four down right here.
Yep. We gotta we get it down to right about down to here.
Right here.
Yep. But push from the bottom. Remember, you can't push from the top like that, otherwise it will break, right?
And then we'll make holes in the grass.
Yep. Now, can you get another one?
Sure. That's how far it can go down.
Now we're gonna have to see if looks like a heart or not.
Yeah.
Do you think it looks like a heart?
Yeah, that's like there's a little heart.
Does it? Okay, we're gonna put one more up here.
April.
Oh, I think we need one more, Savannah.
Yeah, that one. Here.
What about here?
Right here.
What about here? Thank you.
Hold up.
Oop, that one fell.
Under the plastic.
Oop. That one did not work so well.
Silly.
Okay.
Now
Wait a minute. Now it's really lopsided.
that's better.
It looks like a heart now, doesn't it?
Yeah, with me in the middle. Turn it on the middle, Daddy.
Oh, you don't want to be lit. You don't want the fire to go around you?
No.
Okay, you can get out of the middle. Let's see.
Now it looks like a...
Let's see, Savannah. Should we start lighting the fire?
Yes. Here's the fire.
You think Daddy can get it going?
Yeah. And
You really think it will?
Yeah.
Do you think it'll work?
Yes.
Really work?
Yes. Working.
Well, I hope it does. Okay.
I'll hold it away from the fire over here.
Okay. Well, how about you come over here? Come down here and look. Come down here and watch it.
Okay. down here. I'll flip the word. I hope this fireworks. It's so cool. All the lights up. They would do at the same time.
Uh-oh.
And this fire out.
I don't know if this is going to work or not.
I think there's too many. Remember those Frozen movies? Wow!
I know.
Look now that one! Making fire out the draft. Wow! It's so cool. It's so
Okay, Savannah, we're going to try this third time, right?
yes,
Are you going to come down and look at it?
yeah.
Well, let's let this little bit of wind go first. Yeah, we'll hope that it calms down a little bit.
And now it's all windy. That one works. Now we're all not doing fireworks. This is fireworks. The trees. Oh no. Wow, look at Mama.
Kind of fun. Well, we were trying to do a heart, everyone. That did not work so well, but it was kind of fun to watch fireworks, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was. Right here.
Right here. So who are you gonna do shout outs to?
Anyone I want?
Anyone you want.
Yes, today too. The first shout outs to like the what? And the second shout outs to Shelby, and the final shout outs to
Callie? Okay.
Thanks for watching our video. We love you guys so much.